The Nasdaq Iceland, formerly known as the Iceland Stock Exchange, XICE, is an Icelandic stock exchange. It was founded in 1985. Many of the companies traded on the XICE are small and illiquid due to the small size of the Icelandic economy and the low cost of going public. There are 18 listings on the exchange and they are denominated in Icelandic Krona. Because of the market's limited size and illiquidity, no international corporation has ever listed directly on the XICE. In contrast, few Icelandic companies have gone public in other countries. Iceland's economy is small and prone to high uncertainty. The main industries of Iceland are tourism, fish processing, aluminium smelting, geothermal power, hydropower, and medical pharmaceutical products. Iceland's economy is a combination of free trade and government interference, with a high degree of free trade. The OMX Iceland All Shares Index dropped from a peak of 3,495.28 on July 20, 2007 to a bottom of 167.77 on April 8, 2009, a 95.2% drop from top to bottom. The index had not yet reached 670 after 9 years. As previously stated, financial institutions were the majority of the victims, but who were the survivors? 4 companies remained on the OMX Iceland once the dust had settled. They all had one thing in common: they had a market region that went beyond Iceland. Iceland has been ranked 26 out of 190 countries on the Ease of Doing Business ranking compiled by the World Bank for the year 2020. Iceland's currency is the krona, often known as the Icelandic crown, sign KR, code ISK. After the Seychelles, Iceland is the smallest country in terms of population to have its own currency and monetary policy. Gains from the sale of shares of Icelandic companies are subject to WHT at a rate of 22% for individuals and 20% for anyone else. These rates refer to transactions involving 2 non-residents as well. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.